Gates open, they're up and racing, singing victory, save our queen is on the outside. Bahala na, running by the rail is Scud Missile. Mr. Savior comes next, then moving up Tabaco, running on the outside, yes. Joey Biodata second last, and para sa iyo, he's running at the tail of the field as they round the 3/4 mile post, singing victory in command by about 2 lengths. Save Our Queen is in second, running in third Tabaco. Then comes Mr. Savior. Scud Missile pass approaching on the outside. Yes, Joey comes next. Bahala na, Biodata. And para sa iyo, he's still trailing the group. Past the last 800, singing victory, still the leader, followed by Save Our Queen. Scud Missile now moving up to take third, running in fourth. Yes, Joey Tabaco, Mr. Savior, as they pass the last 600, singing victory, Save Our Queen. Scud Missile moving up on the outside, and now grabbing the lead as they turn to the last 450. Scud Missile now the leader, followed by Save Our Queen, singing victories by the rail. Yes, Joey Tabaco with the last 150 more to run. This one is Scud Missile, this time by over a length and a half, singing victory once again by the rail, second and on the outside, Save Our Queen, and finally Scud Missile, singing victory. Yes, Joey, Save Our Queen, Mr. Savior, for your pentapecta.
Okay, crossing the wire first. Only